What's up? I'm John Vaughn. I'm the founder and CEO of Tier 5. And just a disclaimer, I'm a software engineer and I'm not a marketer. But let me just jump right down to it. I want to give you something for free today. I want to give you a free Invoicing You account. It's a 100% free, unlimited account on Invoicing You. I'm going to tell you why I want to give that to you for free, and then I'm going to tell you all about Invoicing You. Try to make it as short as possible, okay? Basically, I just want to give it to you for free so I can educate you about Tier 5 and get you exposed to one of many of our softwares in the Tier 5 community, and an opportunity that we have for you to be part of the first ever community-owned software engineering firm. I'll give you more about that later. Right now, let me just tell you about the no strings attached, 100% free software that I'm gonna give you if you just put in all you gotta do is put in your name and email inside this box right here, and I'll set you up a free account where you'll be able to log in to Invoicing You. So you're gonna get a 100% free account on Invoicing You. What is Invoicing You? Well, Invoicing You is a really simple and easy way for you to sell products and services online. So you can go in and essentially create invoices for your products if you want to, or for your clients if you're selling stuff to clients. Like for example, I sell software development services. Here's an invoice I sent to one of my clients, Tribal Vision, for $3,000 that they're yet to pay, and it's for the last payment for product filtering on the CPG and AWJ sites, and they can just make a payment right there. That will go right into my bank account, processed nice and securely through Stripe. So you can see how easy I can go in and just essentially create an invoice. I give their name, their email, select the currency that I want to bill them in, and then I can put in all the line items on my invoice, as many as I want. Add tax if I want, so cover the tax, the VAT. I can go in and add monthly subscriptions if I want. So for example, if I want you to be a new client and I want to sell you a dedicated bot developer for $700 a month, I can create this invoice, I can send it to you, and then you'll be on a monthly plan where every month you'll pay me $700 for that dedicated bot developer. So I can create that invoice really easy, send it out to my clients. You can go in and actually create all those custom subscriptions, so you can create all your different custom subscriptions and attach those to your invoices. You can also create product invoices. For example, if you want to join for example, here is another product that I have that's not for an individual client. This is a dedicated bot developer product. So this I don't send to any particular client here. This is just a product, and it can be sold over and over multiple times. So you can create product invoices. So this Invoicing You allows you to sell services. It allows you to sell products online. So if you want to take money for products or services, it allows you to do that. There's also several other features. Group invoices, which are really, really unique. You won't find them anywhere else. We have a little widget builder so that you can create widgets and attach them to your products or your invoices. That allows you to create some really cool proposals, all sorts of cool stuff you can do with our software. We have a Zapier integration where you can go in and create bot shopping carts and create invoices through an automation, or trigger automations when people pay your invoices or purchase your products. This group invoices is really cool. So once you log in, you can get inside our chatbot. If you want to go through training, which will go through step by step, teach you how to configure, get everything set up, and start selling your services, start selling your products right away. We also have a really awesome supportive community to help you with whatever you need. So all you have to do is put in your name and email address right here, and you can get your free account, and then you'll just get an email from hello@tier5.us, and it will have your login and password, so you can log in and use your free unlimited link, or your free unlimited Invoicing You account. I also have another one that's Link Wizard that's also free, so if you just want to go and log in and get this one, then I'm pretty sure you're going to get an email where I'm also going to give you Link Wizard for free if you want that. I've got 3 free softwares that you'll find really, really useful. This one is Invoicing You. So if you want this free software, just go ahead and put in your name and email, and you'll get a free account set up. And then yeah, I'll probably send you some emails letting you know more and more about Tier 5, our software, and the Tier 5 community, and how you can be part of this really unique opportunity. If you don't want to, no big deal, no strings attached. You can just enjoy your you can just enjoy your free Invoicing You account, and then you can, scour the internet and figure out where you can get the other free software accounts as well if you don't ever want anything else, but just get free software from Tier 5. Anyways, like I said, I'm not a marketer. I'm a software engineer, and I do know that I need to learn marketing, so here I am just trying to make a marketing video to tell you about Invoicing You. So you're getting a free account if you put in your name and email. So just put in your name and email, you'll get a free account. You can get inside the platform, you can check it out, you can see all the features. And if you want help setting everything up, you can just go inside our chat bot and get customer support and learn all about Invoicing You. So I'm gonna leave it up to you what to do. If you want a free account, I think you understand what you need to do.